to the Morning Howl. I'm Callan Parker.
And I'm Cameron. Here's the news for the week.
We have a busy week at LCMS coming up. Today begins our school Super Bowl drive benefiting the Sumner Center. Bring in pantry items all this week to help those in our community and to earn Den points. Donation bins can be found in the front lobby.
Also, this week, the book fair will be held in the library. There are options to shop before, during, and after school.
And the academic team will finish their irregular season this Saturday at Gallatin High School, where they will take part in the country championships. Good luck.
Here are the birthdays.
Here are this week's positive office referrals.
We'll be right back.
Hi, this is Den Points with Chloe. In fourth place, we have Svanhild, 3,659. In third place, we have Sangreal, 4,111. In second place, we have Kintaro with 4,559. And in first place, we have Alu with 5,342. Live, laugh, love. Bye!
Who do you think is going to win the Super Bowl?
Philly.
Who do you think is going to win the Super Bowl?
Eagles!
Oh yeah, no, Chiefs.
Who's going to win the Super Bowl?
Obviously, the Eagles are going to win the Super Bowl.
Going to win the Super Bowl? Who do you think is going to win the Super Bowl?
Eagles for sure.
Who's going to win the Super Bowl?
Eagles.
In the Super Bowl.
The Eagles.
Why?
Because the Eagles is going to win.
Okay.
Spring benchmark testing will begin next Monday and go through the end of the month. Teachers were sent a schedule last week with specific days and times for tests. This will be the final benchmark before TCAP testing in April.
Teachers, this Friday is the Staff Super Bowl potluck lunch. Bring a food item to enjoy and share to the TWA.
Finally, congratulations to the following students who are awarded all county choir and band.
For Liberty Creek News, I'm Cameron Rose.
And I'm Callum. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and YouTube. Have a great week.